Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Grundig DSB 980 to any Bluetooth device. So in order to do this, first let's enter mode on our Grundig with a pilot right here. You have the mode key right here. So open it. Now locate the Bluetooth sign, Bluetooth audio to be exact, and enter it. Here, wait till Bluetooth actually loads. After that, we'll be able to move on to our device. So open Bluetooth on your Android or iOS iPhone smartphone and enter pair new devices. Here we need to wait till Grundig is available. Here it is, so click on it. Pair. And now our devices will be paired together. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.